Hello guys, my name is Mrs. Baltazar and I will be your English teacher this year. So first of all, ESOL 1, it means English Language Arts or Language and Literature for 9th grade students. But for students who come to this country and they still need to learn English. So I'm going to teach you today how you will be working in my class. Here's your Unit 1. It's called Becoming the Author. It is going to be 6 weeks long. So everything that I'm going to show you, you will be doing exactly the same way for 6 weeks. So the first thing, you can go to your slide number 3, and you will have different reading passages with questions that you will have to answer. So here's your week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and the entire 6 weeks. When you click on it, it's going to have a little link that you will need to click on. And let's see. You will have your very short story where you will need to answer your questions. After you answer the questions, you're moving on to the next thing. If you cannot answer the questions and you do not understand what cause and effect is, because this is the topic for week number 1, you will go to your lessons, which is slide number 5. This is where you will have lessons for every week. So if we are in week 1, this is cause and effect. You're going to click on it. It's going to give you a link to a video lesson. You're going to click on it. You're going to change subtitles into your native language. So if you speak Spanish, you will change subtitles in Spanish. If you speak Swahili, change it to Swahili, and so on and so forth. You're going to watch it. You're going to take notes, and you can take notes either in your Google Doc, or you can take notes in your regular paper journal. I don't care. It is your choice. After you take notes, you go back to your reading, click on it again, open it, read, and now that you know what cause and effect are, you can answer your questions. After you finished answering your week 1 passage, you are moving on to the next assignment, which, by the way, when we start working with your notebooks, I will show you that all of the information that you have, all of the assignments that you have, you will have to make a link and insert that link into the notebook, and you will be submitting your notebook for grading every week. So now that we're done with the reading part, you are going to slide number 4. This is where you will have your vocabulary. You will work on vocabulary every single day, and you will be taking a quiz on that vocabulary at the end of the week. Again, you will click on the word vocabulary. It's going to give you a link. You're going to click on the link. You're going to go to the tab where it says I words and definitions, and I will show you in the classroom how to open your Google Doc, how to name it, how to insert your words, definitions. Everything has to be done in 2 languages. In English, of course, because you're learning it, it's your targeted language, and in your native language. So when you are studying your words and definitions, you do it in both languages. You have to study your words. You don't have a choice. Like I said, at the end of every week, you will be taking a quiz. After you finish with this, we usually go to another assignment, which is reading, and we will be doing a lot of reading. You will be using your accommodations, which is translation. You will be able to use your support in the classroom. You can ask other students for help. You will be able to use a dictionary. Your goal in this class is to be as independent as possible. Remember, you will be taking your EOC, that's the end of credit exam, which is very important because you have to pass it in order to graduate. If you do not pass your end of the credit exam, you will have to take it again and again and again until you pass it. You have to pass English 1 and English 2 exams in order to graduate. Those are the requirements. So hopefully this makes it a lot easier. And if you do have any questions, please let me know and I will be able to help you out.